Hey guys, welcome back to Mind Pump TV. I'm your host, Serene Wilkin. In this video, I'm gonna take you through an at-home workout that you can really challenge your stability with, as well as provide coordination and strength throughout your body. Now, if you'd like more information on working out at home, please feel free to try our 30 days of coaching. Let's get started. First exercise you guys are gonna do is a wall squat using a stability ball. Now, I know this looks very easy, but trust me, I'm gonna give you a little ending to the exercise you guys are gonna do for an isometric hold, which is really gonna add stability and strength, and that's the objective of this workout. So coming here, I've got the ball, the small of my back, and my toes are slightly turned out. Now, when I do squat, I want my hips going back and down. Knees do not travel over the toes. So really sink deep into that squat, you guys. You can draw your hands here on your hips, and you're gonna inhale lower, sinking your hips down and back. Notice the knees, hold, and then press back up. Okay? So 8 to 12 reps of this. After 8 to 12, you guys will come down in the wall squat and hold. Now think about loading the posterior chain, right? Loading your glutes, loading your hamstrings, driving your heels into the floor, holding your position here. You wanna really maximize this isometric and hold anywhere from 10, 15, 20, 30 seconds. Just go for time. Go until your body fatigues in your form. And if you're fatiguing, what it will look like, you'll have some shaking going on. Your form might begin to fail. The knees might start to cave in. I want you guys to hold that as long as you can comfortably and then press back up. That's your first set. And then repeat after that. All right, you guys, next exercise is going to be a plank saw or a roll out. What you're gonna need is the stability ball, of course. You can do this kneeling, which is the modification, or you can do it in the full plank position. I'm gonna show you the modification first. What you're gonna do is place the ball in front of you. I want your arms to come down like this in front of the ball. Now from that position, you can interlace your hands, tuck your pelvis, create your plank position here, then move your body with the ball away. So we come out, the body comes down, and we pull in. And just keep your plank the whole time. So we inhale, and we exhale. So it feels similar to an ab wheel exercise, right? Because you're creating pressure in the abdominal wall as you take it out. And you're also getting lats, you're getting shoulder stabilizers, your back, your hips are staying in that tuck position. So for instance, if you're gonna do the modified version like this, the isometric that you're gonna do after your first set is going to be just here, holding that first position. Deep breath and holding until your shoulders start to fatigue and the rest of your shape starts to fatigue. Then, if you want to progress, you're going to take that into the full plank position. Taking the legs up here, holding here, then taking it out, pulling it back. So make sure your feet are wide enough for this position as you roll the ball outward and inward. Now notice my body is not traveling with the ball like the modified version. I'm taking it out and I'm pulling it in, just like that. Now for the isometric at the end, hold this position. Just stabilize for time and then come on back down. That's your first set. All right, you guys, next stability exercise is the dead bug holding the stability ball. Now this does not look difficult, but it is because you are creating pressure between your knees and your hands using the ball. I'm gonna show you how. So come on up. We've got the tabletop legs here. I've got the ball right here. Now this ball is big for my body, but I'm gonna take my arms here. I'm gonna press my hands down to the ball, create some resistance, knees into the ball. And what that does is it really gives me this wrapping sensation of my core down to that floor. So I'm staying neutral in my spine and my pelvis here, but I'm feeling all of this work and tension deep in my center. From that position, bring the hands back, hold. You're gonna take opposite limbs away. This is the dead bug. We come out, hold the ball, come on back. Come out, hold the ball, come on back. So you're gonna inhale, you're gonna exhale. Now, when you guys do this, depending on the size of the ball, it's gonna depend on where your arms are, what angle they're at. It shouldn't matter. You wanna really have pressure into the object that you're holding. Focus on that, and that will translate into your core. I'll show you again. So we inhale, we exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now to add the isometric at the end of this series, you're gonna press firmly, holding here. Hold for time, guys, until your body fatigues. So my arms are pressing the ball, knees are pressing to the ball, and I am holding, and man, there is tension. And that's your isometric. All right, you guys, next exercise is a stability ball hamstring curl. Now, a lot of people just kind of pump through this and they rush through it. I want you guys to go slow. You're gonna feel hamstrings, you're gonna be in hip extension, glutes are working. Also flex your feet. That's gonna give you more work in your hamstrings. The isometric is gonna be a single leg iso at the very end, so pay attention to that. Come onto your back. Bring your feet on top of the ball. From this position, arms are long by your side. Flex your feet like I just said. From there, we are lifting the hips up, hip extension. Now, I want you guys to go slow. Don't bounce on the ball, but bend the knees, dig the heels into the ball, feel a connection, and carefully draw the legs back out. Just like that, you guys. Exhale, and inhale. So this is your hamstring curl. Maintain your hips up in the air, squeeze your glutes, guys, and come on back. Now, for the iso, what it will look like, you'll be here, you're gonna transfer up, hold, 1, 2, 3, as long as you can. This is my right leg working. Then I come down, I keep my hips stabilized. I try the other side, hold for time, go into fatigue, and come back. Lower the hips down and rest. All right, you guys, next exercise, we are on the ball. We're doing the prone cobra. To set up, make sure the ball is underneath your hip area so your body can curl over the ball and come into back extension, feet up against the wall. Here I go. I'm gonna bring my body here, and I'm gonna go ahead and tuck my hips forward, squeeze my glutes. Bring the arms down. I want you guys to actually internally rotate. So go thumbs down here, head comes down with you. As you guys come up for your back extension, open the arms, rotate and squeeze back. So right here, I've got all this back extension going on, upper back, thumbs are pressing up towards the ceiling. There we go, tucking the chin and then lowering everything back and down. So for this exercise, we're focusing, yes, on posterior chain. We've got upper back, all the opposing muscles of the chest and the shoulders in the front. If we have that forward shoulder going on for us, we've got the tightness. We wanna work the opposing muscles, right? So here we go, lots of back extension and back down. Now for the isometric, at the end of your set, guys, we're gonna hold for time. This right here, hold this. The fatigue is gonna happen in the arms, it's gonna happen in the shoulders, the upper back. What tends to happen is people kind of relax the body like this. I want you guys to maintain, hold that for time, and then lower back down. Thanks so much for watching this video, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. And make sure to check out our 30 days of coaching. You won't only learn about exercise and mobility, you'll also learn about nutrition and other topics in the fitness industry. Just for example, on day 1, you're gonna learn all about protein. So make sure you guys check that out, and we'll see you soon.